Me Komel. I'm CEO of Innovative Omics and research faculty at Yale University, working closely with the Crystal Pollitt Lab. And today we're going to be discussing, once you run FluoroMatch version 5.66 or higher till the next video tutorial, how do you upload your data into the visualizer? So first, if you go to innovativeomics.com and you go into the software FluoroMatch LC, you'll see that there's many tutorials, including video tutorials like the one you're watching now. And if you go into the manual and you go into the troubleshooting document, then you will see the section, you go into installation, that has all the things that you need to install. Mainly you just unzip the FluoroMatch folder. It comes with MS Convert now, it comes with MZMine, etc. And so all you really need to download is PowerBI, and PowerBI is an important software for this step because we're going to be using the visualizer, which is built into PowerBI. So this is a free desktop application. You can download it at this link up here, and I'll also put it in the comments box. Once you download PowerBI, then you need to go to the software itself. And so in the software, you will see, so this is for 5.66, but for all the versions, there's this visualizer folder, and you'll see visualizer version 4.16 for now, or the updated version. Double click that once you have PowerBI installed, and you will now have this PowerBI interface. Now, you have just run FluoroMatch Flow, let's say, and you have your outputs or modular, and you want to upload your data. So you're going to go into Transform Data, Data Source Settings. Here in Data Source Settings, all you need to do is replace each one of these files. Note that you can either upload the combined file, which is going to be negative and positive mode if you ran both polarities, or you can just upload negative mode or positive mode as one file and just look through that single polarity if you only ran a single polarity. So this is EICs, so I would go to Browse and I would find that same file, or again, if you didn't have positive negative mode, you just go to negative feature EICs, upload it, press OK, and then continue to replace these files. So I'm going to go into now the MS1 file and upload that one. Let's say I'm only running negative mode. The P formula file and upload that one. And all of these files have all of the information that the visualizer is going to need for you to navigate the PFAS data and start to validate your PFAS that were discovered by FluoroMatch, as well as discover unknown PFAS that were never before annotated or in any database. So this is definitely the most fun part of the software. Once you've uploaded all of your files, making sure to replace the actual file. So if it says fin, replace it with fin. If it says raw MSMS, replace it with raw MSMS. P formula MS1s. So you want to replace each one with, just as we did, with the correct file. You click close, and then you'll click apply. Once you click apply, it may take some time, depending on the data set size, to load all of these files. And once they're loaded in, then you're in action and you can start using the visualizer platform, which we'll discuss in our next video tutorial.